but we're going to try to represent in a good way PSM Makassar and also Indonesia, to try to collect points. We know that is very difficult, and the good example is that this team win Vietnam team here. So let's see what we can do. Comparing with opponent team, we don't have too much time to prepare the match. Good morning to everybody. We don't have too much time compared with the opponent team. I think the last match that opponent team make was against us. So I mean, maybe what, 20 days or more? I don't know. Between this space of time, we have many matches, many travels. We are the team that travel more on Indonesia. But tomorrow we're gonna try to make our best. Usually we're not training or play on artificial pitch, so in my opinion it's advantage for opponent team. But we're gonna try to represent in a good way PSM Makassar and also Indonesia, to try to collect points. We know that is very difficult, and the good example is that this team win Vietnam team here. So let's see what we can do. Comparing with opponent team, we don't have too much time to prepare the match. So let's see with the time that we get and the time for recovery from other matches and travels, if we can make a good game. Yes, I know that the captain go out. I think was 4-5 to Indonesia by Ankara. So for sure not going to be the same first 11, but also I believe that they're going to change because they have many time to prepare the matches. I don't know if the number 10 is available or not. If he's available, I believe that he's going to play. So I think it's going to be a total different match because it's on artificial pitch. They play at home and have many time to prepare this match. Maybe they change the tactic. I believe this. I believe on this. So we need to be prepared, and I think the best way to be prepared is to thinking in our possibilities that opponent gonna show, and to try to be prepared for all the moments of the game, when we have the ball, when we don't have the ball, offensive transitions, defensive transitions, also the set pieces. I think it's going to be very important, and I hope that tomorrow our team can be focused since the first minute until the end. I think it's very important. Okay, our team on this moment is very sad because we lose the last match. Was the happy birthday of the club. Our club make 108 years of history. Just for you know, it's the oldest club on Indonesia, and unfortunately against a strong opponent at home with a full stadium, we lose. We have many mistakes and we lose. We create opportunities to win, but unfortunately we lose. So now we're going to try to put our focus not on the last match of the league, but on FEC Cup. I think it's a good way to represent not just PSM Makassar but also Indonesia, to try to collect points. We know that it's going to be very difficult. So when I say focus, I mean that this is another competition. This is another game, complete different, like when we play on Bali, because on Bali was grass pitch, here is artificial pitch. These players are not usually training or play on this kind of grass. And opponent team have good position ball, and I saw some games of them there, and also Vietnam game that they play here and start lose 1-0, and after in few minutes they change the score and win 2-1. So we need to be prepared, because sometimes when the teams already know, because we know them and they know us, and they have many time to to prepare this match. It, I think, can be the big difference. They can recover the players, maybe number 10 not injured more and gonna play. They can recover these players and can change the strategy, because they know that we never play on the artificial pitch and can be advantage for them. What we can do is try to be prepared and try to create plan A and plan B according with the score of the match and according with the time of the match.
Pemain sayap Hougang kami disuruh sama pelatih, dia pemain cepat, jadi kita harus berhati-hati sama sayap-sayap mereka karena dia pemain cepat.
Yeah, we have a big injury. We miss points on Liga Indonesia. This for me is the big injury. No, serious. We have players that are not 100%, and some players that are injured that not come with us. But we're gonna put 11 on the field, and there are players on the bench, and this must be our focus. We cannot say, oh, because this player or that player. No, we have many players for this situation. When one player is injured or is not available or is not in shape, we must replace him, and this situation can be opportunity for other players, and we must thinking like this always, in my opinion.